Tip for dryer: if your dryer has a problem or washing center in the drying area in which it makes noise at the time it is drying, here you will learn how to solve it. You can see the complete videos on the Facebook or YouTube channel, and here we can see in first is a general cleaning, and the other we are going to check the rotor, because the rotor is the one that turns obviously, and it is the one that is generating noise. Here we can see that it is already quite damaged, worn, everything that is the part that rotates. And here we can see a new one. It is in perfect condition and it is totally damaged. This one comes with a whole kit which you have to change so that it is just like this, look like this, it must look like this. Its grease service is done and everything is put in the new rotor. All these pieces were changed, and with this you are already working. You also have to do the complete cleaning so that this has a good this time of life more, and well, it would be working. Look, there we are no longer making the noise, and I hope you liked it. And see you until next time. Ciao.